Hi, ready to explore a new tool together? Get ready to elevate your toolkit with the HAZET 8116 slotted screwdriver. This comprehensive 6-piece set features a non-slip 3-component handle that ensures high-power transmission, perfect for tackling any job with confidence. Engineered from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, each screwdriver is built to last, resisting corrosion and wear. With a torque rating of 24 Newton meters, you can say goodbye to stubborn screws. And let's talk about comfort. This ergonomic design means you can work longer without fatigue. The precise magnetic tips hold screws securely, making your tasks smoother than ever. Whether you are a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this HAZET set is your go-to solution for efficiency and durability. Upgrade your toolbox today. Discover more details in the description below.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.